Hey Resonators, okay, so for today's video, I wanted to show you a quick recreation that I made for a customer for one of my favorite jewelry boxes. This one is made using purple chrome powder from Let's Resin and iridescent purple cosmetic grade glitter from Resin. And guys, when I swirled these colors together, my jaw dropped. When I originally made this container, I didn't have the chrome powder from Let's Resin, but honestly, these two products are like a match made in heaven. You guys have to let me know what you think about the final results to this iridescent purple jewelry box. This is like giving magical plum vibes for me, so let me know what you guys think. Alrighty guys, be sure to drop some grape emojis in the comments to let me know that you made it to the end of the video, and I will see you next time. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace. Hey Resonators, so today I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how I made this gorgeous jar using Resin glitter. So guys, I got this gorgeous fluorescent lake green glitter from Resin and I am obsessed. I decided to mix this with a tad bit of gold glitter I don't know, I just felt like it was gonna give it a really cool, elegant look, and it definitely did not disappoint. I also filled the little knob on the top of the lid with gold crushed glass because guys, I have a quick tip for you. If you're a little bit impatient like me, crushed glass is a great fix because it doesn't float to the top of your resin, so you can pour it and then layer the resin right on top, and it doesn't cover the crushed glass one bit. So I absolutely love using this technique. So anyways guys, here is the final results to the base of this jar. I think it came out so cute, and I think that gold glitter really added the elegant touch that I was looking for. And as for the lid, the crushed glass did the trick like I knew it would. And I think this came out so pretty. These are colors that I do not pair together often, and I was really, really happy with the results. So you guys have to let me know what you think about the final results to this jar, and be sure to drop some green and gold emojis in the comments to show me that you made it to the end of the video. Alrighty, besties, thank you so much for watching. I am forever grateful, and I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.
Oh